So today we are doing a relationship checkup, and to do that first, we're going to be checking in. So first ask yourself, what relationships are most important to me? This might be a romantic relationship, a friendship, a familial relationship, but ask yourself, okay, what relationships are most important to me, and am I treating them that way? Ask yourself, what is it that I'm doing right now to maintain the level of intimacy and connection that I really want in this relationship? Oftentimes we make a mistake thinking, oh, you know what, I'll get to that eventually, I'll maintain that relationship eventually. If I do nothing, everything will stay the same. But that's not true. Just like with brushing your teeth or neglecting your vehicle, it's going to lead to rot and decay, and things are not going to be functioning in the way that you would like. Maintenance is key when it comes to relationships. So today, think of just one or two things you could do to either maintain or deepen the relationship. This could be something as simple as sending a text or inviting them to get together. Maybe it's asking them, how are they doing really? Maybe it's just dropping off something that you know that they're going to love, or sending them a joke that is totally their sense of humor. The thing is, maintenance is always better than repair. And if we can maintain the relationships, then they will keep working in a way that best supports us and the people that we are in relationship with. If you want to learn more, come and listen to episode 44 on my podcast, In Work with MaryAnn Walker. I'll see you there.